you guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a very special box that I am always thrilled when it arrives. And it is the Beautylish Lucky Bag. So these boxes are sold once a year on December 26th. I did get the XL box this year again, so it's $150 and you're guaranteed $300 or $350 worth in product. Mine was a little bit over that, so I'm super excited to show you what's inside. And I do like to peek because I like to get the prices of the product so that I can let you know what it is while I'm showing it to you. So let's dig in and we're going to open it up. And it comes wrapped in this really cute paper this year. Okay, so let's take a look. So I did kind of separate the items, the ones that I'm more excited about and the ones that I'm like, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but I'm not super thrilled about it either, you know? So let's start there. The first thing is the ice roller from Kitsch. So it's this right here. And this one retails for $18. And it says to put it in the fridge. It's a surgical stainless steel roller for your face. So I actually have several rollers that I received in mystery boxes or subscription boxes. So it's nice, but it's nothing that, you know, puts me over the moon for it. So the next thing is going to be this. This is the lashes in a box. And there's actually several different types of these. I got the E5 and these retail for $40. So it was one actually of the more expensive ones that they have. And I do use lashes every once in a while. So it's nice to have a few on hand. Again, I'm not super thrilled about it. The next product is going to be this little guy, and this is from Oribe, and it's the Maximista Thickening Spray. This is the 1.7 ounce, and this one retails for $19. Last year I got the shampoo from them, which was really nice. But again, this brand is super expensive, really nice, smells really good, but it is shampoo, so I'm not gonna go spending too much on that. But this is the little thickening spray. I'll definitely give it a try. I'm definitely gonna use it. Okay, next thing is gonna be from Holifrog, and this is the Sunapee Sacred Sea Brightening Powder Wash. So it's this right here. This one retails for $44. So let's open it up and let me show you what the little bottle looks like. It's this right here. It's super light. Again, it is a powder, so definitely interesting. We'll be giving that a try. And the last item I'm not super excited about is going to be this right here. And this is the Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. This retails for $18. I do like the eye patches. They're nice for hydration right before your makeup application, concealer and all that. So I'm going to use them. But now let's get to the items I am super excited about. So the first thing is going to be the Hourglass Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick, and it's this duo right here. This one retails for $72. You guys, I have wanted these for like the longest time, so I was actually really excited to get this in the box. And you get two of them in here. I don't want the box to fall. They are in the shades All of Me loves all of you. So all of me is going to be this one. So they are actually pretty weighty, okay? They're not like super light. They're not like cheap plastic. So I did like that. They're really pretty. They have the Hourglass name right there, and there's a little heart next to it. And then we open it up. And then it has the name of the lipstick on there. It says All of Me. Right there. And then this is the shade. Really pretty. It's like a red pinky shade. Almost like a salmon color. So that was cute. And then the other one is the shade Loves All of You. And I believe this is like the red one. Yeah, this is like a really pretty red. So I love lipstick and lip glosses, lip liners, lip products in general. So I was super excited for this. Okay, so let's put that aside. The next one is this brush. This is the Jumbo Blender from Sonia G. Beautiful, beautiful brush. I did get another one of her brushes last year and I love them. This one retails for $38. And we can never go wrong with brushes. Okay, next one is going to be the Filmstar Bronze and Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. This is it was like a limited edition packaging that they had. I think this is the last year's one. And this one retails for $75, but they didn't have it available at the Beautylish website. This one comes with the full-size palette. And it's a really pretty design. Look at that sparkle. Love that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You have your bronzer, your highlighter. So that's really pretty. And this one also comes with its own little brush. So that was cute. And I had actually purchased, because they have a little mini size at Sephora. So I bought it there. And I'm actually happy that I got the full size. And so the last thing in my box is this. It's the Natasha Denona Love Palette. And this one retails for $65. Let me put this box down now. Okay, so when this came out, I had it in my Sephora cart for like the longest time. I don't know. I just couldn't get it. I was like, no, I'll just wait. So I'm glad I didn't get it because now I got it here. So let me block the little mirror. This is what it looks like. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Totally my colors, okay? I love the pinks. There's a couple purples in there. They're the type of shade that I love. So I was excited for that. And I'm very happy that I now have it. So overall, the total of my box was $389, which it's a great value that I received. And aside from me already having the mini of the Charlotte Tilbury, I don't have anything else that came in this box. So that was something that I was very happy for, because for as much makeup, you guys, as I buy, I couldn't believe that I didn't own anything that was already in here, okay? So I was excited. The value was great. I think my box was actually pretty good. So let me know down below if you guys were able to get one. Let me know what you got in yours. Are you happy with yours? Was yours extra lucky? I know some of them are extra lucky because they contain either a really super high value, or some of them are supposed to have like a $25 gift card, I believe, from Beautylish, but I yet to see anybody get one of those. So let me know if you got it. Who knows? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to link all that down below, as well as the description and everything, the values of the products that I got. So thanks again, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.